Today we're going to talk about how to take care of your nose after rhinoplasty surgery. You should have a shopping list of a handful of items that are going to help you with this. And on this shopping list are ice packs or frozen peas, some hydrogen peroxide, Vaseline or Aquaphor, nasal saline mist or spray, a saline sinus rinse, and then nasal saline gel. To keep things easy, you're going to take the sinus rinse and the nasal gel and you're going to set these aside because you're not going to use them for the first week after your surgery. So when you wake up, you're going to have a mustache dressing and it's going to be likely covered with some blood. It is very, very normal for the nose to continue to bleed lightly for 24 or so hours after the surgery. But we're going to have you take that mustache dressing off to get some moisture in the nose starting the night of your surgery. So the first thing you're going to use when you get home is lots and lots of this saline mist spray. You're going to remove that dressing and you're going to literally just take the saline mist, hold it a few inches away from your nose, preferably over a sink or at least a big bucket because it's going to come out bloody, and you're just going to spray it back and forth. So underneath your nose and then lots of spray right up into the nose. And it's going to come out good and bloody. The other thing that you're going to do is, especially before bed at nighttime, but once or twice throughout the daytime, is put a small amount of Vaseline or Aquaphor in the nose. This is about a pea-sized dollop. You're going to put it on your hands after washing them, and then you're just going to gently swab it up on the inside of the nose around those stitches. Lastly, during that first week, despite doing those first two things well, sometimes you'll build up some scabbing or some crusting inside the nose, and if that were to happen, you can use some peroxide to help soften that up. So how you do that is you take some sort of cotton round or even just a cotton ball that you have at home. You're going to want to saturate it in the peroxide, get it good and wet, like sopping wet, either by dunking it or pouring a bunch on there, and then you're just going to put that cotton ball or cotton round up in the nose and let it soak in there for a good 5 to 10 minutes, and that's going to help soften up some of those scabs. So we'll probably cut